Hello everyone, welcome back to the computer class. We were doing lesson number 7, Introduction to Microsoft Excel 2010. Today's topic are cut, copy and paste. What are these options? Let's see in detail and then we will start with the practical. Copy option. You can see the icon for the copy on the screen. Copy is the act of duplicating text. Copying a file to an alternate location is a common procedure for backing up data. When something is copied, it goes to the clipboard and it remains there. When you copy something, you leave what you are copying in the same place and make a copy of it in another place. The shortcut key to copy is Ctrl+C. The next option is cut option. You can see the icon for the cut on the screen. The cut command is used to remove the text or images from the screen you are currently working on. Cut moves the information to your virtual clipboard where it is stored until it is overwritten. After you cut text, you won't see it on your screen, but you can place it anywhere in the document using the paste function or the paste option. The shortcut key to copy is Ctrl+X. So what is the main difference between copy and cut? Copy will create duplicate copies of the same text and you can paste it multiple times, whereas cut will basically shift your text from one location to another location. Next option is paste option. You can see the icon on the screen. The paste command is used to place the information that you have stored on your virtual clipboard in the location that you have placed your mouse cursor. In other words, we can say that it is used only after using the copy or cut option, because unless we have something on the clipboard, we cannot use the paste option. The shortcut key to paste the text is Ctrl+V. After understanding all these three options, let's start with the practical. This is the same file that we have created in the previous class with name, roll number, section, address and phone number. I will apply cut, copy and paste in this particular file. So first I will like to select the names and I want to copy this on my sheet 2. I will do the selection and I can use the copy option from the home tab or I can use the shortcut keys. Another method is to right click the mouse and use the copy option. When you will use the copy option, you can see the running lines around your selection. That means the text is copied. Now click on sheet 2 and paste it on the desired location by right click the mouse and use the paste option. Or alternatively, you can use the shortcut keys or select the paste option from the home tab. See, this is how your text will be pasted. Let me click on the demo file. You can see the names are available on my demo file also and they are available on sheet 2 also. So what happened? It has duplicated my text. Now let me show you the cut option. For this, I will select the address and use the cut option either by right clicking my mouse and using the cut option. Alternatively, I can select the cut option from the home tab or I can use the shortcut key, that is Ctrl+X. This is my selection after using the cut option. Now I will click on sheet 2 and I will paste it on B1. So right click the mouse and use the paste option. See, the content are now pasted in my file. Let me show you the demo file. See, the content is now shifted from demo file to sheet 2. So I hope cut, copy and paste is clear to you. Now let me remove this D cell because it is looking bad. For this, what I have to do, I have to right click my mouse on the D column and use the delete option. The delete option is going to remove my column, selected column. So in today's class, we have seen cut, copy and paste. I hope this was clear to you. That's all for today's class. Thank you so much.